front of me is Redmi Note 15 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, make sure you have all of your apps you wanna apply already downloaded onto your smartphone, in my case Firefox browser, and go into Devices Settings. Now it's time to scroll all the way down and hit Apps. And here's a common issue. To access default apps, you need to click on those three dots at the top right corner. Then select Other Settings from this pop-up. And finally click on Default Apps at the top. Now click on any section you wanna manage, as I mentioned, in my case Browser app. Tap on the one you wanna apply and go back. As you can see, after a few seconds my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!